I always loved lobster boats. Love the look of them. I like to watch the boats day in, day out, doing their thing. 2 or 3 guys making a living. Any of these coastal towns, it makes the whole town go. For the fishermen that spend a lot of time on their boats, they all agree that a wooden boat is more comfortable. It's easier on your body. They're heavier, makes them a little bbit more stable. So it's a slower motion. They feel better at the end of the day, less aches and pains, more energy. So it made me think that, I could do this. And this piece of land where we are now came up for sale back then. It was dirt cheap. So I built the shop and opened for business. Things were changing. People started making bigger, roomier boats. And then we built a boat called the Sea Wife for Jimmy Tripp in Spruce Head. She looked good, she performed well. Jimmy is exceptional fisherman, exceptionally hard worker, known as just unstoppable. So we really put the boat through its paces. The boat did well. And that boat was a big hit, really big hit. You really know better than your crew. Over the years, we've had some really good people. We've built a lot of wood lobster boats for guys that have always had glass lobster boats. So now we're up to, I think this might be 77. To be fair, that includes everything I ever built. So out of that, there's probably 60 some power boats or whatever you want to call them, inboard real boats.